Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add someone as friend on Spotify. So if you want to add someone as friend on your Spotify account, what you have to do is first of all you have to open up your Spotify application, and after opening your Spotify application, now you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the top right, and then tap on view profile which is on the top. And now what you have to do is you have to tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top left, and now you can find the first option, find friends. You just have to tap on that, and now it will ask you to connect your Facebook with your Spotify. So what it does is, if you connect your Facebook with your Spotify, you can find the friends on your Facebook list on your Spotify and you can add them as friends. Or the other way is to just come back to your home page and then tap on the search icon which is on the bottom of your screen. So after tapping on the search icon, now on the search bar you have to search for the person that you would like to add as friend. So after searching that person, you just have to tap on their profile. Now on their profile you can see the follow button on top left. You just have to tap on follow, and if they'll follow you back, you both will be friends in your Spotify account. So this is the other way that you can add friends on your Spotify. So if you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.